Hello everyone and welcome to Treasures and Trinkets by Lindsay Creates Gifts. I am Lindsay and today I'm going through my bead box bargains haul with you. Those who don't know, Bead Box Bargains is the sister site to Bargain Bead Box. They give you a coupon code every month to use in this store, which I did. I managed to save myself £10 and 17 pence with this code. And I wanted to show you what I brought. As you can see, I have opened it up already. This was just so I could get the correct conversions, currency conversions. These are to date, are correct as of today. And I wanted to do that all the way down so I could tell people what it was in pence to see if they fancied a order one time, and so they know, because these are all prices before the discount is taken off. So let's begin. To begin with, I'm going to show you this. This is my free gift. As far as I'm aware, they always give out a free gift with your orders. And these are very pretty. I can't wait to use those actually. They're a lovely colour. There's not perhaps something I wouldn't have picked out for myself, but now that they're in my hand and I see them, they're so pretty. I definitely can't wait to use those in something. Right, next we have a total of 5 strands. These were 99 cents each, or 72 pence each, and I'm going to line them all up for you now in one go. So here they are, and the colours I got were peridot, light rose. Oh, I'm all the way over here. The colours I got were peridot, light rose, aqua, teal, and amethyst. And I have to say, all of these are beautiful, as I would expect. I believe they are Chinese bicones, but the quality just keeps getting better and better of these Chinese crystals, and they are beautiful. I like having some small crystals on hand so I can add sparkle to almost anything, and these will definitely come in handy and they'll be perfect. Right, next we have, these were really neat actually. I couldn't wait to get my hands on these. This is a 10-piece strand of 11 by 10 millimeter cathedral frosted fire polished wavy turbine beads in sapphire metallic luster. Sapphire violet metallic luster, and they are so pretty. I don't know if you can see how gorgeous they are. The colours in those are just something else. Really, really nice. Very nice beads there. Beautiful colours. The greens and the purples really come through. I don't think there's even supposed to be greens in there, I'm not sure, but the greens and purples are really nice in there. I can't wait to find a use for those. Next up we have, I got 2 packets of these. These are 7 by 5 millimeter. Oh, this was $3.99 or £2.89. Next up we have, this is 2 lots of 20 pieces, 7 by 5 check pressed glass flower beads in purple luster, and I really like these bell flowers at the moment. I think they look lovely in bead embroidery, and they're like, I've used them recently in some of my wire wrapping and one of my sun catchers as well, I really like them, so I wanted to get 2 bags because you can miss out on some things you want because it is a clear out site, so of course they don't stock these items forever. And they were 99 cents each, or 72 pence each. Next up is 2 lots of 5 pieces of 14mm check pressed glass 5 petal flower beads in alabaster violet gold luster. And again, I wanted these for bead embroidery and the like. I haven't used these in anything like this in wire wrapping yet, but I really thought that that would look so nice in a bead embroidery piece, using seed beads to keep it held in the middle there. I have so many plans. I'm really big on the bead embroidery at the minute, but I'm also really enjoying making my wire wrapped pieces. And that is those, and they were $1.09 or 79 pence each. Next up, I got 10 pieces of 5 by 17mm check pressed glass feather beads in turquoise with a metallic pink wash. And these were just really cute and really different, and I'd never had anything like this before. So I really wanted to get them to see if I could find something to use them in, because I really like them. I think they're so cute. I really want to see what I can do with them. They are lovely. Lovely jubbly. I can't wait to use those. I did only get 1 bag of those, and maybe I should have got 2 because they're quite unique. But hey ho, I got 1. Next up, well, those were 99 cents each, or 72 pence. Now, next up, I have 20 pieces of 9x7 mini tulip beads in alabaster fuchsia wash AB. And looking at these, I really wish I had gotten 2 packets because they are just so pretty. They're absolutely gorgeous. I know I say this with everything, but I can't wait to use those. They're so pretty. Wow. I really wish I'd gotten 2 packets of those. They were $2.39 or £1.73. Next up, I got 2 lots of 2 pieces of check table cut glass dragonfly coin beads in aqua AB. And these I really like. This is why I got 2 packets, again, because I didn't want to miss out if they sold out. But look at those. I really, really liked them, especially this colour. I wasn't particularly a fan of the other colour, but I really liked this one. I just had to get them. So pretty. Gorgeous. I'm going to leave those ones out, actually. Lovely. And next we have, oh wait, where they were $1.79 each, or £1.30. Next up, I bought these 2 lots of 20 pieces 4x6mm checked press glass baby bellflower beads. I got 1 in aqua opal and 1 in pink opal. Let's open 1 of each and show you. Okay, so I thought the favourite here was going to be the pinks, which are very pretty. We'll do those first. They're very, very pretty pinks. They're so delicate and so much smaller than I thought they'd be, but that's not a problem. I really like them, but the favourite here is the aqua opal, because they are just gorgeous. I love the colours coming through. It kind of looks like opalite, like a more blue opalite. They are gorgeous. I thought the pinks were going to be the favourite, but I really like those. They're something else. Lovely. Put those over there. And they were 99 cents each, or 72 pence each. And like I said, I got 2 lots each of those, of each colour, because they were just so pretty. Next up, I got one lot of 5 pieces 14 by 10 millimeter check glass table cut oval sunburst beads in Aqua Picasso, and these I really liked because they reminded me of the box that we got, but at the same time I wanted to do something different with them. I wanted to work on perhaps one of my Tree of Life sun catchers with something like this in. I think they're very pretty. The pictures didn't really do them justice. As you can see on the edge here, that's where they get the Picasso name in this staining. They are very nice. I would love to use those soon, see what I can use, see what uses spring to mind. Next, those were $1.39 or £1 and a penny. Next up, I got 2 lots of 20 pieces of 7 by 5 millimeter check press glass flower beads in chalk white vintage rose. And these are like the purple luster ones, but I wanted another pinky colour, and that's what I bought. They're very pretty. Another very delicate, lovely looking bead there. You can just see the wash highlighting the detail in the beads, which is beautiful. I really like them. I should. They were 99 cents each again, or 72 pence. Next up, we're going to go into some gemstones. This is a 7-inch strand of 2mm faceted garnet. If you guys know anything about me, you know I'm obsessed with these tiny beads. And I'd have loved a longer strand, but I'll make do with this. This is still a good strand for garnet, and they are beautiful. Such tiny, tiny beads, but honestly they add such a lovely detail, and they're so sparkly. I love these tiny beads. I have a couple coming up. Next, those were $2.69 or £1.95. This one is a 15.5 strand of 6mm agate round beads in Scarlet Crackle, and these are a popping red. These are post box red, I'm telling you. And there are some beautiful beads in here that I'll have to put them in something where they can really show off their individual beauty. They are gorgeous. I really like that one. That banded one there, I'd use that as a planet for something perhaps. I think I've got another one that looks kind of like a planet in a different colour. I feel something coming on with planet skies, quite possibly, but those are gorgeous. A nice popping red and a nice long strand which I can work with, and that was $2.19 or £1.59. Next up is a 14.5-inch strand of 2mm amethyst finely faceted round beads, and this makes me even more pleased because it's double the length of the garnet, but gosh, they seem so much tinier. They don't seem like 2mm. I'm sure this is like 1mm. These are extra tiny. These remind me, if anyone had the Bargain Bead Box, of the apatite beads, how small they were. That's how small these amethyst beads are. They are absolutely tiny. But I absolutely love tiny beads right now, especially gemstone beads. I cannot wait to use those. Those were $4.89 or £3.55, which I think is a bargain for that finely faceted. I don't think you'd find that anywhere else. Next up we have another 14.5-inch strand, this time of 2mm ice obsidian finely faceted round beads. And this is what I mean by, I'm sure these are different sizes because they're both supposed to be 2mm, but those are clearly 2 different sizes. But I don't think that's Bead Box Bargain's fault, and either way I will use them. They are absolutely stunning. I love them so much. These teeny tiny beads. Give me more, give me them all. Oh, we're nearly at the end, guys. We've only got 2 things left. Oh, that was the ice obsidian was $3.99 or £2.89. Now, next I got 2 pieces. I got 2 lots of 2 pieces of approximately 18 by 16 millimeter mountain jade or dolomite carved flower beads in turquoise blue. The dolomite is dyed, so this is a dyed gemstone, but look at the colour and how pretty it is. I can't wait to use that for something. I can already see this with some bead embroidery, you know, pop it there, pop some beads in these, maybe some 15-0s, make them line up with these grooves. I'm really excited to get cracking. This is why I really wanted to do this video, get out of the way so I could get in and use this stuff. But I've been so excited to make this order. Right then, and last but not least, I'll save the last, the boring bit for last. I suppose it's not really boring. I've got this chain, which I said I didn't realise was in the last bead box, but it was. And I went and got myself 2 meters of it because I liked it so much, and then it came in the bead boxes. I have 3 meters of it, or did have. I've used most of the bead box one now, but I'm very pleased. I am ecstatic with everything that I ordered. I'm ecstatic with my little free gift. I think those are absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to use all of this in something. Stay tuned because I have a lot coming up plan wise for this. The mountain jade dolomite beads were $1.49 or £1.08. The jewellery chain was $1.29 per metre or 94p. Lots of these bits are going to be used for a shibori tutorial. In particular, I had things like this in mind for that, along with some of these, like I want to do some sort of garden thing. I have a lot planned for these beads. Every time I buy something, I've always got a plan in mind, and then you throw the bead box, the bargain bead box in there, and that brings ideas to mind as well. But that's super exciting. We've got some super exciting stuff coming, so please like and subscribe if that's something that's going to interest you. So let's move on to the totals. Now then, I got $14.02 off, which was £10.17. I spent $32.69, which was £23.71. The shipping was $20.90, which was £15.16. But as I explained in one of my previous videos, the shipping was bought for me as a present, so I didn't take that into account when I was working my bill, because I wanted to focus on getting the most bang for my buck. Please stay tuned for more interesting videos, for a lovely shibori tutorial, for our suncatcher series that I can't wait for too. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for looking through my bits with me. I'm really excited to use them. Alright, well, take care guys. Lovely to see you as always, and take care. Bye.